You've probably heard of this oil at least once. Castor oil, the great magic. After watching this video, you'll likely realize why it's called magic, especially if you're over 50. Seniors, listen up. This oil might be the key to unlocking a new level of vitality after 50, something you've been seeking for a long time. Imagine waking up without joint or muscle pain, sleeping comfortably through the night, and seeing smoother, younger-looking skin in the mirror. It's like true peace, isn't it? Some of you may remember castor oil as that thick, strong-smelling oil that grandmothers loved. And I can't blame them, they were right to be fans. But now, it deserves special attention for a younger generation, particularly for those who have lived through 5 decades. In this video, we're not talking about long-term use. We're talking about using this oil for just 1 week. So, what makes castor oil so special? This oil is packed with beneficial compounds, one of which is ricinoleic acid, a unique fatty acid known for its anti-inflammatory and pain-relieving properties. This means it can help with several common issues that seniors face, such as joint pain, arthritis, digestive problems, and wrinkles. Let's start with the first issue. Sleep problems. As you age, factors like hormonal changes, stress, and new life conditions can disrupt your sleep patterns. But don't worry, castor oil could be the solution to your troubles. That's right, castor oil is a natural sleep aid. Its soothing and calming properties can rescue you from sleepless nights and bring you peace. Castor oil has a warm nature, and applying it to the soles of your feet or scalp can enhance relaxation, leading to deep and restful sleep. If you're in need of that dreamy, beautiful sleep, don't miss out on castor oil. Here's how to properly use this oil for better sleep. Pour a small amount of oil into your palm and rub it in, then gently massage it onto your scalp. Pay attention to your temples and the back of your neck, massaging these areas gently. The soles of your feet are also prime spots for oil massage, where you can carefully apply it. In addition to the oil, you'll stimulate areas known to promote sleep, pulling you toward a restful slumber. Now, let's move on to the next common issue for seniors. Joint pain. It doesn't matter if your joint pain is from arthritis, wear and tear, an old injury, or any other issue, it really hurts. And it's not just the physical pain, but also the impact on your mobility and quality of life. This is where castor oil steps in to prove its anti-inflammatory properties. Remember the acid we mentioned at the beginning of the video? I don't think so. It's ricinoleic acid, a powerful pain reliever, especially when used topically. According to available data, castor oil has been shown to reduce the pain of individuals suffering from knee osteoarthritis, something many medications fail to achieve. If you have joint pain, this is great news because the remedy is right in front of you. To use castor oil for joint pain relief, rub the oil between your hands to warm it up. Then apply it directly to the affected joints and gently massage the area. Afterward, cover the painful area with a cloth and let it sit for at least 30 minutes. This allows the oil to absorb deeply and give you maximum benefit. Now, let's move on to the next issue. Digestion. Constipation is a common issue, and it becomes even more prevalent with age, often causing a lot of discomfort. Fortunately, castor oil is beneficial for the digestive system as well. This oil acts as a natural laxative, gently stimulating the muscles of the intestines and speeding up bowel movements over time. If you experience this issue occasionally, castor oil can be a lifesaver. However, here's an important note. When it comes to digestive problems, it's essential to consult with a specialist before using castor oil, as its method of use for the digestive system is slightly different. To relieve constipation and improve digestive function, mix 1 teaspoon of castor oil with a glass of water and drink it. Skin. Who wouldn't want healthy, wrinkle-free, and glowing skin? The next issue is skincare. As we age, our skin naturally produces less collagen and elastin, leading to dryness, wrinkles, and fine lines. And once again, castor oil comes to the rescue. It is a natural emollient that deeply hydrates the skin and helps retain moisture. Its rich content of fatty acids, especially ricinoleic acid, helps lock in moisture and keeps your skin soft and supple. This means you can look in the mirror and be happy with how your skin looks. Regular use of castor oil can reduce wrinkles and give you a more youthful appearance. It also contains antioxidants that fight off harmful cells, which can cause aging and damage to your skin. For the best results, apply a small amount of castor oil to your face and any area of your skin you like before bed, allowing it to stay on overnight. Within a few days, you'll start to see the difference. Circulation issues. Poor circulation is a common problem that many adults may not even realize they have. Symptoms include fatigue and weakness, limb pain, dizziness, and skin issues. But don't worry, improving circulation is yet another fantastic benefit of using castor oil. Massaging castor oil onto the skin can stimulate blood flow and reduce swelling in the limbs. Since castor oil has a warming effect, it helps dilate blood vessels, increases blood flow, and delivers more oxygen to your tissues. To enhance circulation, massage castor oil onto your legs and then keep your legs in a warm place or wrap them in a cloth to maintain the heat. And the next issue is the immune system. After the age of 50, the immune system undergoes a phenomenon called immunosenescence, meaning that it weakens, and there are various reasons for this. A decrease in the number and function of immune cells and chronic inflammation, which leads to further cell damage, are among these reasons. Guess what? Castor oil boosts your immune system because it helps the lymphatic system work better. The lymphatic system is made up of tiny vessels throughout the body that help remove excess fluids, proteins, and waste from cells. So, the method of using castor oil to boost the immune system is similar to its use for the digestive system. You can mix a teaspoon of castor oil in water and drink it. While castor oil is beneficial for your health, especially if you pass 50, using it safely and correctly is crucial. Before applying castor oil more broadly, test a small amount on a small patch of skin, such as your forearm or inner arm, and wait 24 hours. If you notice any adverse reactions like redness, itching, or burning, avoid using it. If you plan to consume castor oil orally, start with a small dose. Begin with half a teaspoon, mix it with water, and gradually increase the amount if no issues arise. Drink plenty of water when using castor oil to enhance absorption and prevent dehydration. One important thing you should do is consult a healthcare professional, especially if you currently have digestive issues. I'd like to share the experiences of seniors who have used this oil, so listen closely.
I've watched a lot of, you watch a lot of bloggers and people on other channels talking about face creams and skincare. And because for me, it has been pretty much life-changing in terms of skincare.
All of a sudden I would have this dry patch on my nose, but dang, that would be a crazy coincidence. But luckily, it must have been a very thin layer because just a few days later, after not applying any castor oil to that area, it almost appeared totally gone. And now you can't even tell in my opinion.
As you heard, there may be side effects. Just like any other natural remedy, there are things you should be aware of, especially if you are over 50. Let's take a look at some of the potential side effects. Skin sensitivity. Some people may experience mild skin irritation, redness, or itching when using castor oil, so don't forget to do a patch test. Digestive discomfort. Oral consumption of castor oil can in rare cases cause digestive issues such as diarrhea, cramps, or nausea, especially if taken in high or improper doses. Start with a lower dose and increase it gradually based on your body's reaction. Drug interactions. Castor oil can interact with certain medications, so it's important to consult your doctor before using it to ensure it doesn't interfere with any prescriptions you are currently taking. Allergy. If you are allergic to castor beans, avoid using castor oil. Always prioritize your health, and if you experience any unusual side effects, stop using the oil immediately. We've also made a video about foods that can slow down the aging process. So, we hope the foods mentioned in that video are already a part of your diet. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe and stay healthy until next video.